collecting fuck all. Get up off your arse, you lazy prick.
Shut your mouth.
Who's gonna shut up for me? You?
Yeah, I will. Yeah?
Leona, get off the phone and help us.
Go away, you mug.
Jordan broke up with you, so I know who you're talking to. Here, there's a hand there, will ya?
I'm robbing shit.
No, we're collecting for Bonnie Night, you clown. Just lift that pallet out for us.
I nearly have it out, boys. Come on.
How? Can I have the end of your fag?
You can, yeah.
Come on, what did I tell you about smoking? You have to give that shit up, man.
Lads, would you leave him alone?
See you later.
You're, Shane's brother, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
Yeah, I heard you were staying with him. I'm the one that name's Charlie. Are you on Facebook?
Yeah?
Add me there, Shirley. Leona Hagerty.
Look at you, turn your crack on dame already. You weirdo!
Would you go away with your pality babies?
Good luck getting a ride, Leona.
You shut up, boy. That's my sister.
Ignore them. They're actually gomies. The only reason I wanted to say it to you is because I do raffles and stuff like that, and we have a rake of drink going this week. We have 2 slabs of Coors Light, a slab of Budweiser, a slab of Carlsberg, bottle of Bacardi, bottle of Malibu, bottle of Gordon's Pink Gin, bottle of Jaeger, and a slab of Bulmers. It's only a £5.
I actually don't have cash on me.
Well, the numbers aren't out until Tuesday, so you can give me the cash before then. I've numbers 14, 31, 44, and 47 free. Which one do you want?
Well, give us number 47.
47 for, what's your name again?
Christy.
Shane's brother, Christy. Nice one. All right, I gotta head there. Welcome back anyway. Tell Stacey I said hi.
I will.
Robert, I'm going in there. Do not get caught. I'll fucking break your neck.
You wouldn't, your fault.